Should be in our chat somewhere. Give me a second. Let me pull up my Twitch just channel. There you go. There you go. I need the screwdriver. Well, it tends to happen when you're streaming. I don't know how to turn off the delay for, at least on mobile, that is. That's not what I need. Ugh. Yeah, just mute me. I don't know why you not have me muted on Twitch. What? What are you laughing at, eh? You wanna fight? It's cleaner than before, I'll tell you that. Oh, I mean, this is a different room, so. SATA cables. I don't know. Does he follow me? Yikes. I am indeed watching my own stream, so I can. I mean, you can share with Steve. I'm sure he'll love to see the progress on my PC building endeavors. Wait, why did I throw my motherboard box away? I need that. Now that's refreshing. The screwdriver. Oops, my bad. Oh, I can't remove the. I need the screwdriver's too small, dude. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. I can't install a cooler because the screwdriver Steve gave me is too small to fit into these screws. Oh, never mind, got it. It's got to apply a lot of pressure. Oh, it is magnetic. Sort of, kind of. Sort of, kind of. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta press so hard to get these out, dude. Yep. Nope. That didn't. Dude, my hand is hurting from trying to remove this shit. I have to put it at an angle to actually grip the screw. Well, that's that off. AMD stock cooler, because I'm too poor to afford an aftermarket one. Raid stealth. Let's do it. Better than the Intel one. I'll do it this way. That's not going in. Yikes. Unscrew this one a little bit. There we go. pay attention to chat if anything's going on in chat. Oh wait, it's just you and me. Okay. Now we plug the fan header in. I'm insane. Exactly, dude. That's good enough. What do you mean? No, I still have my stream open. Yikes. The man that wants me to stream isn't even watching my stream. Now that's what I call a yikers. Probably because if you AFK too long, if you don't do anything too long, it doesn't count you as an actual viewer. Why can't I need to peel this thing off the satisfying to you. Well, if it doesn't work, then I'm screwed. Sorry. Notch is not aligned. Well, that's CPU and motherboard are now installed. CPU, cooler, RAM, and motherboard. I'm putting it aside so that if anything has an issue, I can pull it out. I'm supposed to read this. I ain't reading that. What's that? Okay, case time, boys. Move my jacket out of the way. Put this off to the side. Use the screwdriver to open the case. P300. Handles that cause the left side panel. My favorite. Yikes. Yikers. Put this over here. IO Shield. Accessories box. Take the back panel off as well. I get or not. Why are those just so tight out of the factory? Kept it. What do you mean? Oh, that's the back panel off. Put that one behind me. Oh, front panel connector. What is this? Oh, it's RGB. Huh, RGB, dude. Imagine having RGB, dude. Couldn't be me. Well, no, I said screw it. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Oh well. Indeed. Accessories box. Oh, dude, I get some zip ties. Screws aren't labeled. Let's go. They're all in one bag. Time to look through the manual. I don't know which screws are what. Provided M3 screws. I don't know what those are. Ties. Now the bag of included screws. What the fuck's an M? Is this an M3 screw? Let's see. Nope, no tray. Let's see if this catches. Indeed. That's what I'm doing. Are there multiple types of ones? Oh, I think these are the screws, so. Motherboard goes in. I did indeed install the IO Shield. It's a micro ATX board going into an ATX case. What the fuck's getting caught now? Here we go. There we go. Yeah. I guess that screwdriver is somewhat magnetic. Are these not the same screws I just put in? This screw won't go in, hello? Oh, there we go. Ah, one screws are good enough, right? For the motherboard? According to Linus, huh? Well, I mean, it kinda... I mean, you're not wrong there. I can't see shit! At least it's in. I'll put in the recommended 4. Because all the other standoffs are in the wrong place and I'm too lazy to move them. I mean, it's supporting the GPU and that's all that matters, so. That screw just going sideways. I cannot see for the life of me. That screw that just went sideways. So what are you doing over there? What are you doing? Besides watching me fail horrendously at trying to build a PC. I can't see shit! Some of these screw holes are so hard to see because the lighting is off center in my to where I'm sitting. That's good enough. 4 screws for the motherboard. Yep. SSD mounted into this nifty little holder. Did you know SATA's hot swappable? You can plug it in while this machine is on, and your computer won't go kaput. I mean, I wouldn't have expected you to try, but the Jace. I'll put in 2 screws for the SSD. SATA cables. We'll do the straight one for the SSD, and then we'll do the angled one for the. Power supply. We're doing everything out of order, boys. Maybe I should. I should only wire up my front panel connector. Now, let's do that first. Let's wire up the front panel connectors. USB 3. HD audio. This one. This one. My cable management is about to be horrendous, but you know what? It's okay. Oh, that's back here. It is 100% okay. What is what? Power switch and hard drive LED. I don't know which one is which. Where is my motherboard manual? Inside the motherboard box. The manual is not in the box. Where is my motherboard manual? Hello? There goes the temper glass. Boys, I have no clue. Never mind, I found it. It doesn't tell me which ports are what. This shit's useless. What? Wait, this shit's actually useless. It doesn't say anything. Oh, give me 1 second. I gotta Google some shit. Gigabyte support manual. English manual. Where the what the fuck are the front panel connectors? Let's see, RGB, M.2. Here we go. Power switch is those two. Hard drive LED is those two. Okay. I know now. We're Gucci. Wait, hold on. I need to figure out what the orientation is the power. Positive is bottom left. That goes in like that. And then the power switch goes in like that. Easy peasy. There we go. Now it's power supply time. Actually, I'll install the hard drive first. I can remove this cage. Use the bottom. Boys, where did my screwdriver go? I may have misplaced my screwdriver. Never mind, I found it. When you don't have a knife, use your screwdriver as your knife. I definitely have to put it fresh. Barracuda. These are toolless drive slots, which I do like. Yeah, if I can get the first two holes in. There we go. There we go. Slide the hard drive in. Power supply. Get the SATA cable on. Uno SATA cable. Dos SATA cable. What the hell? The fuck is? shit, I put the hard drive in the wrong way. Oops. Is this supposed to go in this way? I'm so confused. I swear the cables are not supposed to be coming out the front. Maybe they are. I guess this one. I swear this is not how SATA cables are supposed to go. Well, both drives are mounted. How you doing over there? Kevin, what are you doing? He's Cody. When in doubt, pull it out. That is a good question. I have no clue yet. Oh yeah, non-modular power supply, my favorite. Non-modular power supply. I'll probably just throw all the boxes either in like my closet or under the bed or something. Non-modular power supply. Gotta love it. I do. Nope, I gotta put it into self-storage over summer, and then I have to retake all that stuff and move in at a later date. I can't. They don't let you. So, my apartment contract starts in August, power supply will go in this way. Fan side down. Yes. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm quite positive. Numero uno. Numero dos. Numero tres. And numero cuatro. Power supply is now installed. Time to start wiring. My favorite part of the day. Wiring. That's a Molex cable with the floppy drive at the end. I don't need that. CPU. No, I'm saying the Molex cable comes with the flop. It comes like that. Use like it. This goes over here. Get food. Chick-fil-A. What? It's Chick-fil-A for breakfast. Insane. These cables underneath here. I don't care. That's fine. I can't get my 4-pin in. Pin ATX cable. Not go. Is it? I think it's it. Well, I feel like that seems like it's in. Oh, there's a zip tie here, damn it. Well, I gotta break the zip tie real quick. Well, maybe. I learned this cool trick back in robotics. If you take a zip tie, take a screwdriver and twist it really hard, you can actually break it. Or just get it loose enough where you can get the fan cable out that you need. Put it back through here. And plug it in. Well, everything is wired up except my GPU. Last part. The Holy Grail. I'm just really big. No, it's pretty tiny. Well, which the front? This front? Or this front? I gotta undo some thumb screws. Maybe I'm not even undoing the right ones. Hold on. Well, no. Ugh! What do you mean, is it chrome? I can't undo the screw. Undo the screw. Well, that one fell out. I need a little bit better grip. Give me a second. Over here. No, my backplate's black, if you're wondering. Undo the screw. Nope. Ooh. The screwdriver's dying. I don't get enough grip on this, man. No, there we go. Oh, I did the wrong one again. Yikes. This one. Because I am a retard. There we go. Because I am quite retarded. Dropped a bunch of... just keep those undone and then put. No, it still did the wrong ones. Yikes. 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 I cannot tell which things I need to undo, dude. Fuck. Yeah, that's how bad I am at this. Insert the GP. Go for it. Insert the GPU. I can hear it click. There's the click. Thumb screw, you say? I'll use this. I'll use my thumb. I don't think I do. One second. Turn on, please, computer. Save video option? Where? Settings. Channel and video. Store past broadcasts. Should be saved. Should be updated. Like Twitch. My channel. Okay. Save video should be on. I undid 3 other expansion slots that I didn't need to do. That's what I call it, yikers. I don't, but that's the only 16, that's the only actual 16x electrical slot. Just do it like that. GPU is now firmly installed. Put some of these. Put some of these. Yeah, install settings. Should be. After I put these goddamn expansion slot covers back on. That I may or may not have removed by accident. Because I didn't know which slot my GPU was gonna go in. So, that's in. I take song requests as well. Or not on my phone, but when I'm actually streaming, yeah. Song requests. Come chill. I'll get into one of my streams one day. Oh wait, you're always in my streams anyway. I'm missing a screw! Unfortunate. I dropped the screw somewhere, I don't know where. I have no clue where I dropped said screw. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O! Oh, I guess I'm having I guess I'm not putting that in. I'm gonna have an open expansion slot underneath my GPU. Cable management time. Here we go. Oh wait, I'm not gonna. I'll just make sure everything's flat enough so that I can put the side panel on, and I'll call that good. That's flat enough. Easy peasy side panel installation. No force needed. Give me a second. That's a. I have no intake fans in this case, by the way. It's just one exhaust fan. Just blowing it really hard. Put all the screws back in the bag they came in. Wherever that said bag may be. I lost the bag, boys. I lost. Oh, never mind. Found it. This case looks. The GPU cable is kind of yikers, but I mean, gotta do what you gotta do. You're not wrong. You are not wrong. Well, which way does this get? Is this identical both ways? No. Maybe this way. Nope, it's the other way. I think. Nope. I actually don't know which way this goes in. Pretty sure it's this way. No, that doesn't seem right. Oh. There we go. Well, let's see if this posts. I gotta disconnect my laptop for do this. Disconnecting my laptop cable. Plugging in my new DisplayPort cable. Hopefully I connected everything in. Yeah, I connected everything in. DisplayPort cable. DisplayPort, where are you? I don't know which port's the DisplayPort. Yikes. No, I don't think I will. No, I don't think I will. No, we still have to pay for it. Ugh. Well, let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. I can get a cheap CD key off one of those sketchy CD key websites. Turns on. Does it post? Is the question of the day. Does it post? post? Now that is the question of the day. RGB LEDs. DisplayPort was not plugged in all the way. Now that is a yikers. Ugh. It'd be a shame if it doesn't post first time. Look like mine. No signal. Beautiful. Lovely. Gotta love it. I did. Actually, it auto scrolls through inputs. Turn it on. I also don't see any indication of it. Like, there's no error LEDs. Actually, are they? Ugh. Nope. Oh, hey, look, it worked. I just gotta turn it on and I gotta turn it off and turn it back on again. Oh, that's why, because there's no boot media. Hold on. Keyboard in. Put that in. Three 12 20 29.